At lastletterbox.com, we are here to serve you with what we feel is an important responsibility to each other in our lives, especially if you're a risk-taking individual. We want to make sure that our family is taken care of financially if something happens to us is a big concern. But the intangibles of passing on our learned life lessons and assuring our family's closure is equally important for the building blocks of your family's future if something is to happen to you. With Last Letterbox, you can upload, typed, or scanned letters and store them in your Last Letterbox account. You may ask, what's the purpose of storing letters for each person with our affordable yearly subscription? Well, if anything unfortunate happens to you, then our perfected database will notify us and we will mail your letters directly to your recipients in a timely manner. And of course, everything is kept private and confidential up to that specific moment. Last Letterbox gives you the luxury to make sure nothing goes left unsaid, helping you pass your words onto your family and friends safely, respectfully, and securely. A process we have perfected and streamlined for your convenience. Put a seal on your legacy. Make a difference in the closure of your family. Last Letterbox is here for you.